Okay, so hello learners, welcome to IIT Madras Student Community YouTube channel, and today we are going to solve the graded assignment for week 3 mathematics 1. So the first question happens to be the parabolas, and we are given two quadratic equations intersect at point 1 comma 1. The vertex of y1 is at origin and slope of y2 at point 2 comma 3 is 4. Now we have to find the value of c2 and b1. Okay, so basically we have to find the coefficient of these parabolic equations, and so like we will start from the very easy part. We are given that the vertex of y1 is at origin. Okay, so like we know that in order to define a vertex we use h comma k coordinates. Now h defines minus b by 2a and k defines minus d by 4a, and d equals to b square minus 4ac. Now we are already given the values, so minus b by 2a equals to 0, and we can say that b1 equals to 0. Now we don't have to find the value of minus d by 4a because it is not required. In the given question we are just asked about the value of b1. Okay, and we have already got it. Now we will go to the second part of this question. So like now we are given that both the parabolas intersect at point 1 comma 1, right? So now this implies that both the parabolas pass through point 1 comma 1, right? Now we have to put x2 equals to 1 and y2 equals to 1 in the second parabolic equation. So we will get that a2 plus b2 plus c2 equals to 1, and we will name it as equation number 1. So we are also given that the slope of y2 at point 2 comma 3 is 4. So we can say that the parabola y2 also pass from the point 2 comma 3. So putting the value x2 equals to 2 and y2 equals to 3 in the same parabolic equation for y2, we will get that 3 equals to 4a2 plus 2b2 plus c2, and we will name it equation number 2. I know you all are like confused, like why I'm making so many equation, because at the end you will see a end game. So like now coming to the next part, slope of parabola y2 is 4 at point 2 comma 3, which is already given in the question. Now we have to differentiate this equation, equation of y2 with respect to x. Then we will get dy2 by dx, which is 2a2x plus b2, right? Now you may ask that why did I differentiate. Now we know that slope is a change in y coordinate divided by change in x coordinate, and we use dy2 or dx to signify small change anywhere. So like dy2 by dx is the slope over here. Now we are already given the value of slope, which is 4. So 4 equals to 2a2x plus b2. Now putting x equals to 2, because it is given that this parabola y2 is passing through 2 comma 3, we will get that 4 equals to 4a2 plus b2. Now we can already say that 4a2 equals to 4 minus b2, and now putting this value in equation number 2. Now equation number 2 was 3 equals to 4a2 plus 2b2 plus c2, and we already got that 4a2 equals to 4 minus b2. So 3 equals to 4 minus b2 plus 2b2 plus c2, and we will get b2 plus c2 equals to minus 1. And now we will put this value in equation number 1, which was a2 plus b2 plus c2 equals to 1, and we will get the value of a2 equals to 2. Now we will put the value of a2 in equation number 4, and we will get 4a2 equals to 4 minus b2, so 8 minus 4 equals to minus b2, so b2's value will be minus 4. Now putting this value of b2 in equation number 5, we will get b2 plus c2 equals to minus 1, which was equation number 5, so c2 equals to minus 1 plus 4, therefore c2 equals to 3. Now we have got all the values of the required coefficients, that is c2 and b1, and now we will just add them. So c2 plus b1 equals to 3, and option number 4 is correct. Thanks a lot.